Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. I want to try some of this stuff on. I have my eyebrows on already, primed my eyelids. You guys like my little shamrocks in the back? I thought it was nice and festive for March. Get into the box. Vacation. Super cute. So the first thing in here is this South Main Eye Gel Pack for under the eye. They retail for $10. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. I've never done anything like this before, and I'll let you guys know how I like it. So the next thing in the box is this guy. This is the thing I'm most excited about. Pure eyeshadow palette, and it looks like they teamed up with Boxycharm. And this retails for $36, already more than the box. It comes with a really nice mirror, and the colors are beautiful. I'm excited to try it. I'm also going to use this brush set that came in the box. This is by Vintage Cosmetics. The Smoky Eye brush set retails for $23.15. They have written on there exactly what they're for. Step 1, for the money. Step 2, for the shadow. Step 3, go girl go. Okay, so it doesn't really tell you what you're supposed to do with them. I'm going to start out by taking this shade right here, using the Step 1 Set My Lids. Pretty pigmented. So maybe this brush wasn't for that. I don't know what brushes are for. I'm gonna take this fluffy Eco Tools brush and take the shade Naked. I think this shade may have a little bit of shimmers in it that I didn't notice. I shouldn't have used this in my crease. Oops. Then I'm gonna take this Step 2 brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Bella. These brushes are like a little stiff. I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush. I'm going to take the shade Duet to deepen up my outer corners a little bit. A little bit of like kick up, but stuff like that never bothers me. My eyes never look even. I'm going to take the shade Charmer on a flat shader brush. I'm going to try it with my finger. It definitely applies much better with the finger. And then I'm just going to go back in with Naked. I'm going to pack a little bit more on. The next thing in the box is this Bella Pierre Volumizing Mascara. Fuller and thicker lashes, and it retails for $20. My issue is that I have like the world's shortest lashes. When I curl them up, they just want to go straight down. This mascara smells funny. I don't think I like the wand. I usually do better with the plastic bristles. There's not a lot of volume with this mascara. So I am going to quickly finish up my face makeup. Don't know if I'll be bronzing today. I'm doing my best, you guys. I'm gonna go in with this brush that we already used, the Step 2, and I'm going to take that Naked shade. I'm gonna take this Step 3 brush, take this Mia shade. I'm gonna take the same brush and then go back in that Duet shade and just do that on the outer half of my lower lash line, really close to my lashes. The last thing in the box is this Pretty Vulgar blush in the shade Prim Vixen. This is a shade that I would not normally wear, but I'm very excited to try it. Oh wow. With a light hand, that is actually pretty. Very pigmented, so just need to brush some of that away. I don't usually wear super bright colors like that, but it's a fun time. So I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my makeup. Okay, so I guess that's it for this video today. I just thought it would be fun to open and try my Boxycharm for the first time with you guys. I was impressed with this month's box. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I look naked. Ah! I matched my shoulder.